Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to allow others to find you by number in X. If you want to make it easier for people to discover and connect with you using your phone number on X, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Once the app is open, you'll be directed to the main screen. Step 2. Locate the account icon, usually positioned in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 3. In the Account Settings menu, tap on Settings and Support. This action will open a drawer with additional options. Step 4. From the drawer, find and tap on Setting and Privacy. This will take you to a new screen where you can manage various settings. Step 5. On the new screen, tap on Privacy and Safety and select Account Information. This section allows you to adjust privacy preferences and safety settings related to your account. Step 6. Within the Account Information section, locate and tap on Discoverability and Contacts. This option allows you to manage how others can find you on X. Step 7. Enable the option Let Others Find You using your phone number. This will make your account discoverable to others using your phone number. By allowing others to find you by number, you open up new opportunities for connections and interactions on X. Thank you for watching, and may your X experience be enriched through enhanced discoverability.